Alright, love you loads. See you later, baby. Have a safe flight. Right, Luna, should we go? So, Jenny's just left now. And now I'm off to go and see how to get out of this place. But I don't know which way to go. Are we okay?
Okay, it's tough.
Thank you. How much? 8. 10. Thank you. Thank you so much. Shukran. So, all done, all sorted. 8 dirhams to park for an hour. Yeah, just on the way back to Banana Beach now. Should we go find somewhere else to park? Eh? Got an hour drive now back to where we were. So I'll see you in a bit.
Right, I'm on the flight. Get ready, Mum. Get ready, Em. Get ready, all my nieces and nephews. I'm coming for you. It's cold and really slippy and wet. It's really Manchester.
So welcome back. Today I've decided to go to the hot springs with Liam. Never been here before, so yeah, just have to watch this space. I've just got my camera out now because it's looking pretty off-roady and pretty cool. I'll take you with me and show you what I see. Getting higher. Liam said, should we go to the hot springs in Agadir? And I went, okay. Do you know where it is? Yeah. We're lost. Yeah, he's just come to ask me where it is. I thought he'd been here before, but obviously he hasn't. And my sat nav saying turn left when we're going right, and going right when it's saying go left, so I just followed him. And now we're lost. So we've just come off another dirt road. It's a bit bumpy, I'm sorry. Yeah, this looks more promising. Like I say, because we're in switchbacks and everything like that, the sat nav doesn't actually know what road you're on, so it's saying turn left, turn right, turn right, turn left. Yeah, we just got to go where you go, I think.
Turn right.
Turn right when there's no right turn. I think we're lost. So we've pulled over again. Looks like we're in some sort of a little valley thing, but no sign of any water. Probably not going to find this one, are we? Oh well, we'll see. So we're moving again. Just picked up another little crappy road with no edges. So we're just wandering down this road. I don't think he knows where we're going. I certainly don't know where I'm going. It's got to lead somewhere, right? Okay, people, for some reason now, the sat-nav's been right. So it says turn right, there was a right turn. It said turn left, there was a left turn. So I think it's picked us back up on the sat-nav now. So hopefully, we're on the right track. But yeah, we're getting up in the mountains now. So, I'm in second gear. It's got very, very steep. Must be near the top now. It's getting a bit cloudy up here. The temperature's gonna drop. It's on 17.5 now. So we made it to the top in second gear. It's getting a bit worried that I might have to go use first gear, but... So we've made it. Haven't we, Lena? Have you made it? Should we go and have a look, see what it's all about? There's a car park attendant here, so it's probably gonna cost us to stay here. But let's just go and see what he's gonna say and how much he's gonna charge us. So this is the place. Just going to position the vans now so we can have a fire later.
A few moments later.
So the hot springs, it was warm. Didn't really want to film because people were having washes and showers. And to be honest, it was only like a swim. It wasn't even a swimming pool size. It was probably the size of maybe, I don't know, really small. You couldn't get more than 10 people in it. So we're going to give this one a miss. Don't know where we're going yet, so... So guess what? I'm stuck. So I'm in a spot of bother. Liam's just clearing the way out for me. I've got a shovel here, mate.
That's right.
So even when I get stuck, I get helps out. Get that super bloke getting me out for me. Digging it all out.
Try again.
Come on, do you not know what you're doing?
All the gear, no idea.
Are you serious? Both of you failed to look up and see the waffle boards on the side. I don't know, maybe it would have helped you out a bit?
What did you say? Don't embarrass you?
See, it's not me.
One eternity later.
Right, time for some chill time. Lena, come on. What is it? What is it? What is it? The little mountain goat.
Love you all! Hopefully last time in Hood.
So we've just got to the airport. Waiting for Jen now. She's rang me. She said she's here. So we'll just have to wait out for her. There she is. She can't see me, but I can see her. Will she notice me? No, she's have to go around. Come back, Jennie, come back. Jennie.
Oh, hello, darling. Hi.
You alright?
Where's my girlie? Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. 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 Oh my God. You nuts. Hi. Are you happy to see me? Yeah. Hello. I've missed you. I've missed you. Hi.
Guess who's back?
Back again. Are we doing that again? Right, so one night back and we've decided to come down to Anchor Point, which is a park up not far, about a 15-minute walk into Taghazout. We went there last year and spent quite a bit of time there. It's where I did my retreat down the road, so we went into Taghazout a few times. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a walk down there. Nick wants some vests, but we'll see. Every time we've been shopping, it's been a fail, hasn't it, darling?
We're going to a surfy beach and I'm about to get the vest there, aren't I?
Hopefully.
Yeah, these are a bit smelly now. Think of fire.
Fire, okay, that's all right. But it's beautiful. We're parked just behind us here, and we've got all the Atlantic Ocean. Anyway, let's see what there is to see in Taghazout.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man.
So we've just been to catch up with an old friend. Bought some tea for making later on. Whether or not that happens, I don't know. But we're just gonna have a wander and see if we can find ourselves a Berber omelette.
Oh, I feel so alive.
So we decided against the Berber omelette, and we've bought some bread and some milk, and we're going to head back to the van. And Nick said he's going to make something, didn't you, darling?
We can find some peppers.
Oh, have we got to go to a shop?
Well, unless you want to book it out of thin air.
Yeah, but I thought you had food in the van. Did you not prepare for my return?
Yeah, and you ate the meal last night I made you.
Ah, so
After your bacon butty.
I did. I had a bacon and sausage butty with me last night.
Dinner we hadn't had it last night. I was literally cooking 2 minutes before the plane landed.
He was. Bless his heart, came out, waited for me. He was well cute. Right, we're gonna head back towards the van. It's about a 15-minute walk from Taghazout Centre to Anchor Point where we're parked, which is 20 dirhams for the night, which €2, so you're looking at like maybe £1.60-ish for the night, which is the first time we've paid to park in Morocco so far.
But we only paid so we could walk into here. We
Yeah.
could have parked here really, but...
I know, we know now. In future,
No,
I think we'd just park somewhere else.
Tonight,
Yeah, we're staying on for the night, so all good. So just on the walk back to the van, we're both going, it's really hot, isn't it? It feels like really hot. So I said, I'm gonna have a look on the weather app, and basically it's forecast at the moment 25 degrees, but at the end of this week it goes up to 30 degrees. And now that always estimates it in the shade, so
it's gonna be bloody hot.
it's gonna be hot, yeah. I think we should go somewhere where we know we're going to be settled for a few days.
Somewhere where there's water, swimming water.
Yeah. Somewhere where we can go and swim in the sea is what we need. So I think we'll stay one night at Anchor Point down from Taghazout, and then think about moving in the morning. What do you reckon?
Banana Beach?
You reckon Banana Beach?
Maybe. Or
I
found
think
that
so.
hilltop one that we found last time.
Is it quite cliffy though?
Yeah, it is cliffy.
Oh.
But it's doable.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Right, catch you in a bit. Need to get back to the van and get cool. Seem to have a pack of wolves following us back to the van.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
Okay, so coming back towards the van now. Come and see if Loopy Luna's all right. You're gonna have to bear with my hair, by the way. This is going to be an ongoing thing for at least a year. My dreadlocks need to mature, and whilst they're maturing, I have to put up with this. So I think I need to stop apologising for it. Right, so we got back to the van. Nick made us a lovely egg and avocado with some nice Moroccan flatbread, and we sat there for an hour or so, and then when... Shall we move to Banana Point?
Better vibe there, isn't it?
It is, it's a better vibe. And what I'm thinking is, because the temperature's going to be so high over the next few days, I want to be settled somewhere where we can have the hammock out and we can really chill, knowing that we're settled. So we're heading back there now.
A bit more of a breeze there as well.
And there is a bit more of a breeze, yeah. It's dead here, it's very, very hot. So hot that Nick's actually ended up staying in the van while I was outside. But anyway, hopefully it won't be too busy when we arrive. Fingers crossed we get a nice spot. Parking angels, help us out.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I find my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. 'Cause I find my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way.
This is mental, isn't it? Whoa, are we gonna get through this? So Aziz just told us that it's busy because the big waves are coming in, so everyone's come over from Europe to come and catch the waves. It has been forecast, we've seen this, haven't we? This is mental. What about here? Will you be able to get over that curb without falling off the cliff? Are you sure? It's really steep. Wait. Whoa. Wow, look at this. Nice. What do you reckon, darling?
Yeah, wicked.
So we made it back to Banana Point, except it's crazy busy. Have you ever seen it like this? It's mental, isn't it?
Yeah, it's mainly cars, though, isn't it?
There was a lot of cars, but there was a lot of there's quite a few motorhomes, which you don't normally see on the end there. And the car park up here is quite busy as well.
It's all busy, right?
It's mad, but the forecast is that there's some massive waves coming in. Yeah, and they're pretty intense. So apparently when it gets really bad, or really good, I should say, for the surfers, you can actually feel the waves hitting the cliff edge when you sat in your van. So yeah, we're waiting to see if that actually happens. But it's just unreal. I'll show you now. Big waves. Okay people, that's it for this week. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below and let us know about your beach park ups.
Don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind and make every single moment count.